Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel. Okay, so this is my ORS wash day routine. I will be using ORS products during this wash day and I am just saturating my hair with warm water. I just always like to wash my hair with warm water because I have low porosity hair and it just helps to open up my cuticles. I will be using the olive oil creamy aloe shampoo to clarify my hair. This is my second time using this shampoo and I'm so impressed by it. It is very good at clarifying my hair and removing all the dirt, oil buildup that I have on my scalp, on my strands, but it does not overly strip my hair, which I love. I love this in a clarifying shampoo. I know the purpose of a clarifying shampoo is to remove all that gunk and build up, but I just like the fact that I still feel like it's slightly moisturizing as well. After my first lather, I always like to add a little bit of water just to help the shampoo lather better and get my scalp as clean as possible. But I still also go in with a second shampoo after this. Okay, so this is my second shampoo or my second lather, and as you can see, the shampoo is lathering much better than the first time that I put the shampoo in my hair, and this just shows how much it's actually working and removing all that dirt and buildup from my hair already. Guys, I love shampooing. It makes my scalp feel so great, and just the whole process of shampooing your hair is very relaxing and therapeutic for me. So although the footage is sped up, I am very much taking my time and just enjoying this entire process. Okay, so moving on to deep conditioner now. This is my protein deep conditioner concoction mix, as I like to call it. This is a combination of the ORS replenishing conditioner and the Hask keratin protein conditioner as well. This combo just works so well for me, and even though the Hask is obviously not an ORS product, it works really well with the ORS replenishing conditioner, and my hair just feels so fantastic after I use this. Like, I can't even rave enough about this combo, and I've been using it since I first became relaxed last year, and I can see myself continuing using this as my protein treatment. It's lightweight enough that it doesn't overly weigh down my hair, and it works well. My hair feels so soft, smooth and stronger after using this, and I will just be continuing this until I find something better as a protein treatment in the long run. So now I'm putting my hair up into two sections, and I'm going to cover it with a plastic cap. I will be using my heated cap to deep condition for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and do my final rinse. Okay, so we took a little bit of a skip and a jump. My hair has my Cream of Nature coconut milk spray leave-in in it, and it has been blow dried a bit. And now I'm putting in the ORS olive oil hair lotion. I'm putting about a small amount into each section. I am moisturizing my hair into 4 sections, and this is just to prep my hair to be braided. I really like this moisturizer because it is not too heavy, where the person who will be braiding my hair will be slipping and sliding while she's doing what she has to do, but it is moisturizing enough where my hair will be fine under the braids. And I also like to smooth in my moisturizer with my brush afterwards, and I will be braiding each section into 2 just to kind of keep everything together. And now I'm just going to be repeating the same exact process on the other half of my hair. Usually I would also add my hair oil, which is the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Essential 7 hair oil, on top of my moisturizer, but I did not feel the need to do that today because I was getting my hair braided and I didn't want to put too much product in my hair because I know my braider would have also been adding things while she braids my hair along the way. So I just didn't want to put too much product in my hair, but on a normal moisturizing and sealing process or wash day process, I do add hair oil on top of my moisturizer to seal my hair in. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I'm back in the bathroom again. I feel like this is just the filming spot for this video, but I got my hair done, I got my hair braided. These are all feed-in braids with the little curly attachments. Let me just do a quick spin for you to see the whole thing. Yeah, so I got my hair braided. I will insert how many weeks I am post relaxer hair because I just wanted to give my hair a break. My hair is growing out now and it's becoming more difficult for me to manage. So give my hair a little break for a few weeks, and then afterwards I'm going to take out these braids and then do a fresh relaxer again. So relaxer update obviously coming soon. Yeah, I just really enjoyed this wash day, guys. Like, I think that I will be continuing using this as my protein treatment wash day routine moving forward. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you took something away from this in terms of ORS products and knowledge of ORS products, seeing how it's being used, etc, etc. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!